What's up, Beast? It's Beastly back here again, and I'm in my trailer, and I'm just kind of, in my trailer. It's a rainy day, so we're hanging out in my trailer, and it's just gonna be a quick 5-minute video, maybe less. She's playing Minecraft.
Oh, I've been recording for a minute.
Bye,
Megan. Bye.
See? She was just recording a video too. I don't know. I couldn't see what you were saying for a minute, but yeah, so we're both just a bit bored. There's no Wi-Fi here, so this might get posted a bit late, so yeah. Well, why is that clip there? So, if you haven't seen the new Netflix feature, if you go on your phone, download Netflix, and you sign into your account or whatever, then you can press download. And you can download shows and movies, and basically you can watch them without Wi-Fi. It's amazing, because when I go camping, I download stuff, and then I can watch it if it's a rainy day like this. So I downloaded like 4 movies before this, and then I got Minions, and then I got 3 horse movies, and I do like horses, so yeah. And I don't know, in the camera, I don't know, does this look orange or red? Looks like orange here, but red here. I got orange t-shirt, a black and red sweater, and yeah, I'm just chilling. So I think I'm gonna end this video because it's gonna be kind of boring. But before I do that, I'm gonna give you a look around. I'm looking into the camera, so what you see, I see. Girl, dolls, her, bunk, I'm just giving you a look around. Microwave, it's 11:47. Santa Fe. Fire pit, Uncle and Aunt's trailer, and cousins, and actually it's Megan's trailer. So yeah, these are set up now, and yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video now. So make sure to subscribe, leave a like if you like this video, and be sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss one of my videos. Subscribe and like. See you later.